So this is the Ninja H2R, and this is a limited edition kit, first release, so they've come pre-painted. And I've got something really exciting to show you.
I'm just going to go back here for a second. You keep looking at that. Go to the overhead for me.
All right, let's go to the overhead. There, we're in overhead now. So, look at this. We've got pre-chromed. That's really funny. We've got the pre-chromed parts here, which are really nice, and then they've sprayed this in a really nice green, which is just phenomenal. We have the engine block here, and then here, we can really have a look at the detail they've gone to with pre-painting this. They've done the shocks.
Why are they pre-painting models for us?
It's just a limited run type thing. So this, when they release it again, it'll be just come in a regular color, and you've got to paint it. It does have black chrome. We'll get to that in a second. The chain also comes in a silver. It did come up really nicely with a wash. So this is designed for somebody, a collector, or somebody who wants like just a very simple, straightforward build. Got your clear red.
Funny, isn't it? Because my motorbikes, I always love them to have a gold chain.
Oh, really?
A clean, shiny chain.
A clean, shiny.
That was really, really important to me.
That was, you had to.
I had to.
You had to.
Yeah.
It wouldn't be worth riding if it wasn't gold.
And with it like all nice and shiny and clean.
Get the polishing pad out.
Yeah. Get
the polishing pad out on this. You can't even see it in the box because that's in the packet because it's that shiny. It's like refractive. But I'm gonna skip all of this hoo-ha.
Oh, look at the sprockets. It's like the two-piece sprockets for that real like.
This is the really exciting bit.
What's in there? What's in there? Now hang on. Don't tell me it's pre-carboned. Is it pre-carboned? I'm going to lose my fragile little mind. No!
Pre-carboned.
That's it.
Do you know how they do it?
You're going to have to build it. It's hydro-dipped, I bet.
Yeah, hydro-dipped.
Is
That's
it?
right. Absolutely hydro-dipped.
Oh, because if you've ever worked with carbon decals...
Did someone say carbon?
Look at that, mate.
Always.
H2R.
H2R.
And it comes pre-carboned.
Pre-carboned.
Oh, look, it's Jack. Jack's on here lurking.
Yeah.
He's looking.
Oh.
He wants all of it. I've got two more that he's going to want to buy after this.
Definitely creeps me out sometimes.
He loves looking.
Does he
loves a good watch.
The way he stares into your eyes, it's next level.
This is next level. Take me on a date, Jack.
We've got carbon and all of that. I mean,
look at that. Oh, it just reflects so beautifully.
Yeah.
Better than a decal, huh?
Yeah. Oh, hang on. I'm going to go and lie down. I'll be back.
All right.
Go.
Oh.
That is pre-carboned.
How cool is that?
I absolutely love that. Did you know that it was like that?
Yeah, I did.
Did you?
I opened it yesterday because I knew I was going to bring it onto the live, so I wanted some context.
And it's green satin, green chrome.
Green chrome on that.
It's like anodized green, right? To replicate
I might have to
the powder coated.
Oh, Jack might beat you to it.
This is really nice.
It is, isn't it? And this is limited edition. We've only got one of these in the store, and they're not coming back. The next time we get them in, they're not painted. You have to do all the carbon yourself.
Really? Because that's tough work.
It is so tough, and they've done it for you, and it's a really insane kit.
It's hydro dipped. It's not decaled.
It's not a decal.
It's not going to lift and stuff over the years.
No, it's absolutely hydro dipped. It's got paint. They've like done the carbon in water and dipped it, and it just looks so good. Anyway, enough of that thing. I'm just gonna smash.